Hi guys! Sharing my tip paano ba makatipid sa Osaka when you are traveling with a big family or big group. So here are my 3 tips for you. So first, we book our accommodation via Airbnb. Opted for Airbnb since gusto namin makapagluto ng food, laundry, at pinili namin din yung Airbnb na isang kembot lang from Dotonbori. We got this room for 9,000 pesos per night, good for 7 packs na. Ang maganda dito sa room namin, there are 3 rooms, kitchen, dining, living room, bathroom, and separate toilet. Tapos ang pinaka-best pa is meron kang view ng Osaka River. Baba mo ng Airbnb, nandito na rin yung malapit na Family Mart at meron din malapit na train station. Second tip, for our pocket Wi-Fi rental, USJ tickets, Nifrel Aquazoo, car rental, lahat yan, we book via Klook app. We got big discounts kasi meron kami mga vouchers na ginamit at syempre ginamit ko din yung aking voucher na Ella Klook. And lastly, para makatipid ka sa very expensive food ng Japan, since sa Airbnb kami nagstay, at the time, dito kami kumakain ng breakfast and sometimes dinner na din. Tapos syempre, hindi mawawala ang pagbili ng food sa Family Mart and Lawson. Lahat na kasi ng food options nandito na sa mga kombini nila. Like yung mga pasta, rice meals, salads, desserts, sandwiches, lahat talaga. So if you're traveling to Osaka soon with a big group, I think these 3 tips might be helpful for you. So yun lang. Thank you for watching! Woo!